Hi everyone, look at this beautiful design. Let's make it. Start folding this blue craft paper and make a triangular shape. Now draw semicircles on the top and cut it. Don't cut fully, leave the edges. We are going to make two V-cuts at the center like this. Gently open the design and look at the beautiful pattern. Now paste double-sided tape and paste it like we are doing here. Pull all the circles downwards and paste it on the center. Make two such designs and look, it's ready. Look at this beautiful lantern. Let's make it. For that we are going to cut this shape from blue and pink craft paper. Fold it, paste a star. Now cut 10 such pieces and paste all of them one after another on this pink strip of paper using double-sided tape. Paste two blue strips on both of its sides. Now cut this bottle and paste double-sided tape and paste all the structure together like this. And look, your lantern is ready. Paste its handle like this. Paste frill, put a fairy light inside it. And look, it's done. Fold this pink craft paper and make a triangular shape. Start folding it from its sides as well, and we're going to make this beautiful pattern. Cut it like this using scissors. Open it and you will get this beautiful star and heart pattern. Let's make this beautiful hanging lamp using craft paper. Start folding this yellow craft paper and make a triangular shape. Draw this shape, cut it, open it, and you will get a beautiful star at the center. Fold it from its sides and make 6 colorful shapes like this. Paste all of them one after another using double-sided tape. Fold them and make a circle. Cover the end like this using this orange paper. Flip it, put a fairy light and a frill inside it. Cover the top and look, your hanging lamp is ready. Let's make this beautiful design using craft paper. Fold this square paper, fold it in crisscross form. Flip it, cut it, open it, you will get a hexagon shape like this. Now we are going to fold it from its sides, again from its all sides like we are doing here. We are going to make crease pattern. So again we are going to fold it finally and we are going to get a shape like this. Now tuck all the paper inside and now we are going to make small petals from all its sides. Flip it and again fold it like this. Here we are going to make a mini star at the center. Look like this. Again press it and look, you will get a shape like this. Flip it again and pull the paper downwards like we are doing here. Flip it again. Now start tugging all the papers inside like this. Press it again and look, you will get this beautiful design. We are going to make this beautiful multicolor paper fan. So first we are going to fold this pink craft paper in triangular form, flip it and again paste it. Now we are going to make 5 such colorful shapes and paste all of them one after another using glue. After this we are going to fold this purple paper and make a stick like this and paste it on both sides of the paper like this using glue. Now open it and look, your fan is ready. In this video, we are going to make this ninja star look. Let's make it. For that, we are going to fold this orange craft paper, cut a small piece, start folding it like this, tuck it inside. Now make 8 such pieces and tuck all of them like we are doing here like this. Tuck it properly in a circular form and look, it's done. After this, we are going to press all of them like this and your ninja star is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.